Hi, welcome to Fraser's Friday feature. Today we're going to cover how to operate the liftgate on our GM Chev SUVs. People have a lot of problems using them, and one of the biggest problems is they don't know where the sensor is located. So in your owner's manual of your SUV, it'll actually show you where the sensor is located and how the kicking motion should go, whether it's side to side or back and forth. So on the Buick Enclave, it's actually located right here in this area. And I'm just simply going to go up, as long as I have my key fob in my pocket is another important aspect as well. I'm just simply going to go up like this. And that'll activate the hands-free liftgate. And now we can also close it with the same motion. And it gives a little pause for safety, and then it closes. So it's simple as that, but one of the big things is find out from your owner's manual where the sensor is, have your key fob on you, and know the proper kicking motion that you have to use, and the liftgate will work properly every time. Also on some of our SUVs, there will be a light logo on the ground, and that will actually show you the exact spot of the sensor. So always refer to your owner's manual. You're going to find great tips in there. But anyway, that's how I wanted to cover today, and I hope to see you next Friday.